to this assignment, I hope to improve my understanding and skill in English. The assignment is written to complete the requirements of the English subject. Module for comparing mathematics, text for paper-based and digital environments. Alice Lemo, abstract. Comparative studies on paper and pencil and calculator-based tests principally focus on statistics and analysis of students' performances. In educational assessment, comparing student performance does not imply a comparison of problem-solving process. Introduction. This article stands for a wider PhD research focus on comparing student problem-solving process. A tool for comparing mathematics text from paper-based and digital environments. Alice Lemo. Received 13 September 2019, accepted I2Go 2020, published online at September 2020, the Auster 2020, and abstract. Comparative study on paper and pencil and computer-based tests principally focus on statistical analysis of students' performances. In ambiguous, Alice Lemo. A tool for comparing mathematics text from paper-based and digital environments. Alice Lemo. Result 13 September 2019. Accepted I2Go 2020. Published online as September 2020. The Aus 2020. Abstract. Comparative study on paper and pencil and computer-based tests principally focus on statistical analysis of student performances. In educational assessment, comparing student performance in tests of right organisal does not imply a comparison of problem-solving process followed by two students. In this paper, we define I2 vertical to vortex analysis keywords. Comparative study computer-based assessment mathematics education text analysis text design. Introduction. This article stems from a wider PhD research focused on comparing student problem-solving process. Alice Lemo. Alice.lemo@gmail.com. Departmentul Studi Educaționale, Universitatea Studi de la Italia. Educational levels from primary to secondary school instruction thus go 2015 while Davis and Fitzpatrick 2006. One of the first studies conducted on the topic, the National Assessment of Education Progress. Russell and Hay, 1997, conducted a study to compare the effects of the administering a test into environments, paper and pencil versus computer, on performance in tests of sort of secondary school students. The findings reveal differences concerning the type of sport. No substantial deviations were identified in the case of multiple close items, while some sex differences were found regarding open-ended items. Furthermore, the race has sounded familiarity with the use of a keyword allows students to obtain higher scores in digital mode than in paper-based tests. Russell 1919, Russell and 2001. In general, the diverse study scaled on the NAEP assessment system saw how the performance of students completing computer-based tests is closely linked to their familiarity with the administrative environments. Similar research has been conducted using the Ogen style reading and mathematics tests. Choi and Ticker 2002, and the Texas style text in mathematics, reading, and English language arts, science, and social studies. Wei et al. 2006. Differently for previous essays, the study showed that the score obtained in computer-based tests are higher and done with paper and pencil. Contrasting results have been observed with Kansas online assessment. Foggia, Gosnap, and Foggio 2005. Florida's test assessment in high school reading and mathematics. Nichols and Karfatis 2005 and Virginia High School and of Cortez, Isfatis and Triskyle 2005. Significant differences in student performance were found in core measures on the paper text resulting slightly higher and digital test results. The research studies listed present only a small set of those who fell on the topic. From this and many others, it is clear that surveys may follow statistical effort to comparison. In particular, they focus on measuring performance, correct answers, and on quantitative analysis. They present conflicting findings. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development 2016. In line with this statement, there is no shared perspective on whether computers and text can be compared without adopting a paper and pencil format. Such contradiction can be resolved, but these studies have been carried out on the assumption that comparing student performance can provide information about the problem-solving process and performed to provide the answers. On the other hand, it is my hypothesis to question whether paper and digital text may be considered a given, and if so, whether it is possible to define an operational definition of equivalence. An unforgettable experience in my life was when I went through a difficult time and learned to be stronger. And thank you for your attention.